Well, welcome back to All Things Tony J. I'm Tony Johnson if we haven't met, and my channel is all about micro adventures, family-friendly fun that you can take on the cheap. Today, thanks to some good friends of mine, Marianne and Stephen LeVay, I've got the opportunity to go to the Barber Motorsports Park Indycar races. And it's part two. If you haven't seen part one, go check out part one. But you're going to get to see things that you would never see before. Down in the pits, the cars up close, the drivers up close, everything about Barber Motorsports Park. And so without any further ado, let's go see what this race has to offer.